Hey, what's up? This year I've partnered with Haltech to put in their Rebel LS ECU into my FD RX-7. So as you know, I've had some reliability issues. Somehow that has not prevented me from staying on the podium at the Gambler with that car. With that being said, it is definitely not the best ECU setup or wiring situation that is currently on that car. So Haltech makes a full standalone, really easy and budget-friendly ECU to just get your LS up and running. Haltech actually has some really cool software that uses AI to help the ECU learn the engine really fast and give you a really good ballpark tune almost immediately, which is really cool. And it comes with a full terminated engine harness, which just allows you to plug in your accessories directly to it. They have multiple adapters and everything. So let's just get to it and open up what is in the box. First out of the box, we have this really big Haltech bag, and I think there's probably going to be an engine harness in here. So this is kind of cool. They have like their packaging in this drawstring bag here. So the cool thing about the Haltech stuff is that, as you know, GM has a bunch of different connectors for different years of coil packs and all of that. So they make like an all-in-one adapter harness that allows you to use different styles of, coil packs and stuff, and it all just works together. All right, there we go. Full engine harness and pins. The cool thing about the Rebel LS is that it comes with this full wiring harness and the ECU, all for a package like $1,500. Having seen the evolution of wiring harnesses for engine swaps over time, I remember I ordered a wiring harness for a JZ swap that I did a long time ago in my E30, and I had to order it from some guy that basically used a stock harness and adapted it to make it work with my chassis. And it didn't even come out right. A, it took forever. B, it was expensive. And C, it didn't even work because he forgot the alternator plug. And then one of the wires was separated because it got, cut or something like that. So the car didn't run until we figured out what the wiring issue is. This takes all of that guesswork out and is a full brand new wiring harness straight from Haltech, which is really, really nice. And it comes with a bunch of adapter kits and an O2 sensor, as well as an O2 bung to weld into your downpipe, basically. So anyway, that is what is in this bag. And I think we have the ECU. Here is the Rebel LS ECU. Let's open this real fast. As you can see, here is the ECU, and it is, yeah, it's a box, right? Metal box. Okay, cool. Really excited to partner again with Haltech this year and making my RX-7 more reliable, and gonna continue to keep its podium streak up, hopefully. I think I have 7 in a row with that car or something like that. So anyway, it's gonna be a really great year, and can't wait to get this in the car and up and running.